Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will work on the search icon. When we click on this search icon, a pop-up will open where we will create predictive search functionality in our Shopify theme development store. Okay, so let's get started. Let's go to our code. In the snippet folder, we have a file named search model. Open this. Currently, it's empty. If your file has some code, you can delete it and start from scratch. Let's go to header.liquid and render and include that file here. Search model. Okay, so let's add some functionality here. First of all, in the search icon, search button, let's add a browser event. So on click, we are going to add a browser event using dispatch, and let's create a search toggle. Okay, so save it and go to our search model. Let's add some code here. So let's add a div with the class, let's say bg black, and we can add opacity here to, like, I need a bit darker. Let's add bg's, let's say 60. Okay, so I'm gonna position this to fixed. Let's top 0 and left to 0, and add a width and h full, and let's add flex, justify center. Okay, let's add a z index to 50, and here let's add a button, means close model button. So let's add a button. Let's add some classes. Let's add W8 H8, and let's add flex, justify center, and items center, and let's add bg white. Let's add a close icon here, render icon close, and yes, now we have, now let's add our div where we have our search form. Let's add some classes here. Let's say W full, for, let's say this W full will be for the small width devices. And let's add responsive behavior. Let's make it W1 by 2, which would be the 50% of the entire div. And let's add padding a bit. adding, let's say 5, and let's say margin top to 10. Okay, let's add a form here, and our form will have an input type text. Okay, so let's add some classes here. Let's make it border, rounded, sum. Let's add py to 3 and px to 5, w full, and that's it. We will design this later when we will actually work on this search functionality. So now let's add some Tailwind CSS functionality here. Let's add a directive here, xdata to search. Let's search model to false, and x show only if our search model is true. So we have to add this line of code also. Let's add this here. At the rate, what event we have created? Search toggle. Let's copy this. At the rate search toggle dot window, and make it search model is equal to the opposite of search model. Okay, so I think it's everything working fine, and that's it. I think let's save it and check on the front end if everything is working fine. Okay, let's click this. Nothing will happen. Let's refresh one more time. Okay, you can see our model box is working. Let's add some more Alpine JS code. So when we click outside, we need to close this model. Okay, so the Tailwind CSS has some event. If I say click outside, so when our this is the main div, and we click on the outside of this main div, we can make this search model to false. Okay, so let's check that. Click. Okay, we can add the same code here, and the click, we need to make search model equal to false. And that's it. Okay, let's save it and refresh this page. Okay, it is working. If we click anywhere here, it's not working. Let's check what exactly the issue is with. I think we messed something. Let's cut from here and add in this there. I think this will work. Let's refresh, and if we click on this, click here, Okay, as you know, this is working. Okay, so I'm gonna make some adjustment here. I'm gonna go to here 20. I want this to be border white, and we have border class already. Let's make border white and BG transparent and text white. Let's check. Let's refresh this, and yes, we have this, but I think we need to create. Let's move this and check the design. So we have this, and if we divide this to 20, okay, let's refresh that again. Okay, so here it is. Like, if you want, you can design the way you want it. I will design this later when we will work on this predictive search functionality. So, but before this, I want this button to be on the right side. So let's make it positioned absolute, and absolute, and let's make it top 5 and right 5. Let's refresh this, and okay, so it is here. So everything is set. So in the next video, we will work on the mobile navigation. So this is it for this video. Please like the video, share with others, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.